Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. For safety, ensure the parking brake is fully engaged. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its Bluetooth settings, making sure Bluetooth is turned on and ready to discover new devices. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's get your Outlander ready to pair. On your vehicle's display screen, access the Audio System menu. From there, you will need to select the Settings option and then navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Look for and choose Add Device or Pair Device to put your car's system into discovery mode, allowing your phone to find it. With your Outlander in pairing mode, look at your phone's Bluetooth device list. You should see your vehicle's name appear. Select it to begin connecting. If a 4-digit PIN is displayed on your car's screen, enter that same number into your phone when prompted. Finally, confirm the connection on both devices to establish a successful and secure Bluetooth link. If you encounter any issues, here are some helpful tips. First, delete any old or unused Bluetooth devices from both your phone and your Outlander's memory. Sometimes, simply restarting your phone and cycling your vehicle's power can resolve connection problems. Also, double-check that your phone is set to discoverable mode so your car can find it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.